Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get an API key for Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now this API is used to put in Google Maps or the API for Google Maps into your site using JavaScript, and I'll be using this Geeks for Geeks tutorial right here because for this the prerequisite is that you need a project with a billing address and you need the API on through that project, which I don't have access to, so I'm going to have to use this to show you guys exactly how that is done. So let's get right into it. Now, to generate and obtain the API key, you just need to visit the Google Cloud Console. Once you have your project set up and once you have everything enabled that you need to actually generate the API key, then you need to go to the credentials section over here and click Create Credentials. And here you can create an API key. Then just select API key and generate a new API key, and that is pretty much all you need to do. And that's how you get your API key. Now, to actually enter that API key into your site, you're going to need to create a div container with the div tag with the ID of map or whatever. Then you can style it however you want, height, width, whatever you want, and then you need to add the external script, which is the script right over here, where of course you're gonna replace your API key with the API key you created, and then you just need to write the JavaScript code for your map on your site, and that is pretty much all there is to it. It is really as simple as that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.